Graph 4x squared plus 9y squared is equal to 36. To graph, we first want 1 on the right side of the equation. So we'll divide both sides of the equation by 36. When we do that, we get x squared over 9 plus y squared over 4 is equal to 1. This is the equation of an ellipse, with a squared equal to 9, and so a equals 3, which tells us that the x-intercepts are at -3, 0 and 3, 0. B squared is 4, and so b is 2, which tells us that the y-intercepts are at 0, -2 and 0, 2. To graph, we'll label our coordinate grid. We'll let each dotted line represent 1 unit, so the minimum on each axis is -6, and the maximum on each axis is 6. We'll plot our intercepts, so our x-intercepts are at -3, 0 and 3, 0. So from the origin, we move left 3 units, and we move right 3 units. We then plot our y-intercepts at 0, -2. Moving down 2 units from the origin, and at 0, 2, moving up 2 units from the origin. We then connect our intercepts in order to graph the ellipse.